Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock rice. Start by simmering chicken bones with carrot, onion, celery, and bay for at least 2 hours to extract flavor and collagen. Strain the stock and cool, skimming fat if desired. Use the warm stock to cook rinsed rice, maintaining a steady ratio and gentle simmer. Finish with salt, pepper, and fresh herbs to brighten the dish before serving to family and friends. Begin with bones from roasted chicken, necks, or wings to create more depth and aroma in your stock. Place bones in a large pot, add roughly enough cold water to cover, and include carrot, onion, celery, and a bay leaf. Bring to a gentle simmer and avoid a rolling boil to keep a clear stock. Skim foam occasionally and simmer for 2 to 4 hours for concentrated flavor and body. Rinse your chosen rice under cold water until it runs clear to prevent gummy texture. Measure stock and rice precisely, then bring the stock to a simmer before stirring in the rice. Cook gently at low heat with the lid on until grains absorb the liquid. Remove from heat and let the pot rest covered for 10 minutes to steam finished rice. Fluff with a fork and season to taste for best results.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.